Hello students, this is class 9. Today this is physics session and I am going to discuss some important NCERT questions. So let us start. Question number 4. A motor boat is starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? Okay. A motorboat is starting from rest on a lake accelerates uniformly at constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? So first of all, read the question carefully and try to find out what informations are given in the question. So you can see here a motor boat is starting from rest. This is one information. On a lake accelerates in a straight line at constant rate of 3 meter per second square. So this is acceleration. Time is given 8 seconds. How far, this is question, does the boat travel during this time? So in this question, initial velocity is 0 because the boat is starting from rest, and acceleration is given 3 meter per second square and time is given 8 seconds. Now the question is, how far does the boat travel? It means what distance the boat covers during this time. So distance covered, it is to be calculated. Yes, put question mark. So now you can see initial velocity is given, acceleration is given, time is given, and distance covered is to be find out. So from second equation of motion, S equal to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity is 0, time is 8 seconds plus half acceleration 3 meter per second square into time 8 second its square. Okay, 0 into 8, this is 0, plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 8 square, that is 64. Okay, 2 से 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, and then this is 0 plus 32, 3 जा 96 meter. So this is 96 meter. Now you can see in this question, a motor boat is starting from rest, means एक मोटर बोट रेस्ट से स्टार्ट हो रही है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 होगी एंड it accelerates uniformly at constant rate of 3 meter per second square. तो acceleration 3 meter per second square है and it is for 8 second. तो टाइम भी दिया गया है 8 second. How far does the boat travel during this time? इस टाइम में मीन्स 8 सेकेंड में बोट स्टार्टिंग से चलकर कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी. तो डिस्टेंस कवर फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हम सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन यूज करेंगे और वैल्यू पुट करके सॉल्व कर देंगे. तो दिस इज 96 मीटर एंड इट इज डिस्टेंस कवर्ड. ओके, नाउ यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. Now another question is question number 7. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter. If the velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, with what velocity it strike the ground after what time it strike the ground. This is the question. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter if the velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square. With what velocity it strike the ground and after what time it strike the ground. So, let us see what informations are given in this question. Height is given 20 meter and velocity increases at the rate of 10 meter per second square. So, this is acceleration. Suppose this is a ball and it is dropped gently from the height of 20 meter. So, at this time initial velocity is 0 and acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Find with what velocity means final velocity. It is to be find out. And after what time it strike the ground. Okay. Suppose here when it is gently dropped, its initial velocity is 0 and after when just it strike the ground, its velocity is v. So, we can use first equation of motion. V equal to u plus at, initial velocity is 0 plus acceleration 10 meter per second square into time we will use third equation of motion. Using third equation of motion, two as equal to v square minus u square. Therefore, you can put the value 2 into a acceleration 10 into s 20 meter equal to v square minus initial velocity 0 square. So, this is 2 into 10 20 and into 20, this is 400, this is v square minus 0 means v square. is 400. So V equal to root of 400. This is 20 meter per second. So velocity when it strike the ground, it is 20 meter per second. And now we have to calculate time. So you can use first equation of motion. So using first equation of motion, V equal to u plus at. Final velocity is now known, 20 meter per second. Initial velocity is 0. Acceleration is 10 meter per second square into t. So you can write this 20 equal to 0 plus 10 t. So 0 plus 10t, that is 10t equal to 20. Therefore t equal to 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds, the ball will strike the ground, and when it strike the ground, the velocity will be 20 meter per second. इस क्वेश्चन में a ball is gently dropped from height of 20 meter. 20 मीटर हाइट से बॉल को ड्रॉप किया गया. तो जब बॉल को ड्रॉप किया जाता है तो उस समय उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 होगी. एक्सेलरेशन 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है. आपको बताना है विद व्हाट वेलोसिटी इट स्ट्राइक द ग्राउंड, मीन्स जिस समय ये ग्राउंड पे स्ट्राइक करेगा उस समय वेलोसिटी क्या होगी. तो दैट इज फाइनल वेलोसिटी. एंड आफ्टर व्हाट टाइम इट स्ट्राइक द ग्राउंड, तो कितने समय बाद ये ग्राउंड पे स्ट्राइक करेगा. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दीज टू थिंग्स. सो फर्स्ट वी विल यूज थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, 2as equal to v square minus u square, and now by putting the value you can very easily find out v equal to 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. वेलोसिटी आने के बाद हमें टाइम कैलकुलेट करना है, तो हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन को यूज करेंगे, v इक्वल टू u प्लस ए टी. 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड ये फाइनल वेलोसिटी है जो कि फाइंड आउट किया. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 प्लस एक्सेलरेशन 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर इंटू टी. तो इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो t इक्वल टू 2 सेकेंड टाइम आ जाएगा. सो इन दिस वे आप किस वेलोसिटी से ग्राउंड पर स्ट्राइक हुआ बॉल और कितने समय बाद स्ट्राइक हुआ, ये दोनों बातें इस तरह से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. नाउ यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. Now this class is over today, and we will discuss some other important questions in the next class. Thank you, students.